Hello everyone, I'm going to demonstrate today how to inspect and clean engine air filter in my 2018 RAV4. It's really quite easy. Engine air filter is located right behind the battery. This is the housing. So first you need to remove the cover. There are two plastic catches which they just slide in vertically sort of, and two metal latches which hold the housing here. So you remove the latches, lift the housing a little bit upwards, that angle like this, and it comes out. And this is the filter, this is the top side, and this is the bottom. The air flows from this direction. So this side is obviously where the dirt is caught. So this is the filter, which is the condition is quite good. It's not really dirty. The car has 64,000 kilometers a day. So I'm going to vacuum it and put it back. Bend it a little bit, open the spaces. Looks pretty good, pretty clean. Now I'm going to put the filter back in its place. So lift the housing, slide the filter in, and first those two plastic catches, they just go into the holes, and close the cover, make sure it's snug, and these two catches go back. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please push the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.